Lie down comfortably on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. Hold for a few seconds, then release. Repeat slowly, keeping your body relaxed. Turn onto your side, keeping your knees slightly bent. Rest your head on your arm and take a moment to relax. Now, gently contract your pelvic muscles, holding the squeeze for a few seconds. Release and repeat, staying focused on the movement within. Sit upright in a chair with your feet flat on the ground and your spine tall. Inhale slowly, and as you exhale, lift and squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. Hold that squeeze, then slowly release. Continue with a smooth and steady rhythm. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and keep your knees just a bit soft. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, gently pull up your pelvic floor muscles. Stay steady, hold, and release. Let your breath guide each movement. Move into a deep squat, making sure your spine stays straight and your heels are grounded. As you breathe out, engage your pelvic floor muscles with a slow, controlled squeeze. Hold briefly, then release. Breathe deeply and repeat with control. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Slowly lift your hips off the floor into a bridge position. While holding the bridge, engage your pelvic floor muscles. Squeeze gently, hold for a few seconds, and then release. Lower your hips down slowly and repeat.